It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't wake up this morning. It's raining, I just need some company. It's pouring cats and dogs. I had to, I'm a fangirl of the place I work at. I love it. Alright, so it's raining cats and dogs. I'm in Bordentown in Grand Cayman, driving down into Georgetown to go pick up my mommy. On my way, the rain kind of slowed down a bit now. You know when rain fall, you can't drive fast, so make sure you leave out early so I can reach there on time to pick her up, because I don't want her to get wet up. Anybody know my mother? Well, I could have seen from the videos that she kind of miserable still, so I don't want to have her there wait. The last time I drove in rain on island, which was like heavy rain, was when my sister was here, big up Lady Howell. I was so freaking scared. It was my first time driving with heavy rain. I had responsibility because my sister was right beside me, so if anything happened I would have felt guilty. So I was really looking out and being cautious and all of that. And I parked on the side of the road. It was night too. Parked on the side of the road. So parked on the side of the road to kind of like get back my confidence. I said, alright, I need to carry my baby sister home safe. And I'm telling her, I said, alright, I'm gonna try again. And we did. Water reached all the way up to the screen. A big vehicle splashed the little car down, and we were so scared, but I had to be, you know, that big sister, super sister that wanted to take her sister home, you know. I felt like an adult in that moment with huge responsibilities. Yeah. I have 12 minutes. So this hat is from my high school, St. Hugh's High. I can tell you some stories about my experience. So that's always my dream high school to attend. I had girls, you know, when I was going to primary school, I had some girls that I would look up to. They're so well spoken, they're involved, they're so smart. And I had a cousin as well, I looked up to her. And then she went to St. Hugh's, so I had to put down St. Hugh's as my selection for high school started after my GSAT, which I passed. Then when I heard that I'm going to St. Hugh's, oh my gosh, it's like my dream come true. And mommy would tease me and be like, oh, she don't have the money to send me to a town school, we must go some other school in the parish. I bawled because that's my dream school. But yeah, same that I go over the other side of the road for turn go in the south. Okay, mama's been in an accident. Anyway, St. Hugh's stories. So St. Hugh's is an all-girls school, and it's an Anglican school. They teach you how to be a proper woman, and I can tell you it's a good school to send your girl child, because they learn values and attributes that makes them a leader in society. Many of our past students are top marketers, lawyers, doctors, entrepreneurs, great dancers. Like, we embrace our the individual skills and your talents, and we just, it's a wonderful school to send your kids to. I remember, you know, every class I go into, we're always full of life, and then sometimes when we're so passionate, and I drive out upon me. You never see me? big old blue truck. Sorry, I'm nice, but there are some idiot drivers, and I have the right of way. No patience, and it's raining. Anyways, sure, irk me up. So yeah, St. Hugh's, every grade I go into, we always have some vibrant, talented kids. We're always like singing songs before farm time and beatboxing and beating the decks and just saying I have a good time. And like for certain classes that we attend, we would sing and try to remember the words and the meanings, and it was just a cool, fun time. Lunchtime, we have a dance routine, and we were so inquisitive. I remember that, you know, like if somebody first tries something, would form a circle around them and ask them one bag of question. I'm like, and you break off in your little friend group and you're like, I can't try that too. I should have tried it. Are you sure you never tried that? And then we would try it. Now we'll go back in the house circle again. I would talk about it. It was like, I don't want too funky. It's just like life experiences. But yeah, my favorite meal in high school was we call that Danish? No, sugar bun and cheese patty with a Tropicana. The sugar bun and cheese patty with a Tropicana tastes so freaking good. I hope you guys can hear me. Please remember to follow me on social media. I'm trying to get my Facebook page to 1,500 followers by June 18. If I can get past that, that's great. My ultimate goal is 10,000, but we have to try and, you know, start from somewhere small, you know, build our way up, because nothing comes easy, you know. So follow me on Facebook, and I also have an Instagram page which just hit 1,500 followers. I'm so grateful for that. Yeah, my YouTube page is growing slowly but surely. I just have an idea of a video I can do, and I can't stop to write it down. I hope I remember. So you know what, YouTube kind of pull up some confidence then in me, because right now your girl wants a whole studio with lights and a green screen and a desk with our printer and stuff. Not really a studio, like an office slash studio, because I think with microphone, because now I think that I can get a lot of things done, but I can't do that at the moment where I'm at. So once I get my own apartment, I can fix it how I want to and get the internet that I deserve. Yeah. Oh, she's so freaking cute. No, I want kids, but not now. Oh, I'm here on time. I'm here on time. Sweet Jesus. No, I have 2 video ideas. I'm gonna write them down. I'm gonna park and write it down. I love my mother so much, you see. Nights we love talk, bad. Alright, so I always have sticky notes and pen in my car. Alright, so idea 1. We call him something there again. some there when you oh yeah, remember now. Alright, now I can talk to the good to when we come in. Huh? Thank you. What a call! Oh, speaking about that, when we used to go to high school, we used to say some dumb stuff. Like, we used to say water wet. Everybody know that? Like, ew, water wetty! And like, I almost get suspended because I was walking, you know, the big nail clip. I was walking around with it like this and talking, and my dean of discipline was like, you're gonna get a write-up, blah blah blah, because you have a it's not a freaking cell phone, it's a nail clip. I almost get suspended too because of my hair color. My natural hair color is reddish brownish. It's not black and it's not just brown, it's reddish brownish. Never dye my hair. I almost get suspended for that. Dumb stuff. But yeah, my fangirl my extra large shirt, my radio stations. But yeah, while I wait on my mom, she's coming. I have 2 videos to edit prior to this one, so I'm liking this idea. Thanks Sierra for the advice of the bulk recording. 20. No. Anytime I face I get for a tooth stuff. Nothing else, because not your home girl not doing anything to get to know weight or nothing like that. But me I have stress bomb for ID too. Alright, nobody gonna see me. But I love to think my skin up because your skin perfect. I used to say perfect, it was a perfect. I have remember in my videos about things you can do during quarantine. I'm gonna have it linked up there too. I did a mini spa thingy day before last night, Friday night. Last night, yesterday, girl shave up, cut her nails, cut her toenail, file them down, clean them up, polish them. Remember to like this video, comment below and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Yeah, get them into the social club. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet, but once I get to a point in my YouTube journey, I'll definitely make some consistent changes or additions. I'm enjoying it. I really am. Alright guys, see, mommy is taking a little while. I'm going to cut this short and enjoy the rest of your day. If you're in Cayman during this rain or wherever you are, and just enjoy the rain, like chill back, watch some Netflix movies, try some horror movies are great when it's raining. You just cuddle up, snuggle up, turn on your AC and just chill. I'm hungry again.